That music is from downtown. The tree has gotten bigger. Now we can't see the... There's a tree on the next block. It's gotten bigger over the last 3 years I've been in this house. They've made the music a lot louder. That music is coming from downtown at the Parochia in the Central Park. I knew that it would shoot off to my right. You hear the gunshots. That's the gunshots. The music is downtown. All that's gunshots off to my right. Just 9mm. gunfire to my left and my right to go along with all the fireworks that are downtown. It looks like the fireworks downtown are over now, but everybody around us is still doing fireworks. Somebody over that way is also doing. Clouds are moving in just now. It might rain tonight. My dogs are scared to death. Wow, I wish I could get that cloud. It's shaped like an angel. There was with wings and a body, 2 legs, 2 hands, and a head. That's really odd. My camera cannot pick it up. You see that? That cloud right there was shaped like an angel. But it's pretty much, and during some of the fireworks down there, there was a couple of them that went off together, and it had the shape of Miguel Hidalgo with his arms outstretched to the people. I kid you not, it was really strange. There was a lot of smoke coming from the house over directly across there. That's the kids across the street setting off fireworks. Let's hope they don't throw any over the wall, because our dogs are already scared to death. I'm going to go outside and talk to them. Talk to the dogs. Look at that.
We didn't know how to throw it.
Well,
that's what happened to them. They didn't know how to throw
I hope that nobody got hurt, because it went off right here, right outside our wall.
There was more fireworks in this direction than downtown.
Yep. I think that some colonies did their own. I'm thinking that's what happened. Because they're fed up with this restriction that we can't even go to our own festival in our own city. They're only allowing visitors from outside of the state or something.
Like if visitors pay the taxes here.
Yeah, we pay the taxes here to make this thing happen, so that other people that come from out of state or out of city, out of municipality, can come enjoy it. I hope these kids are smart about, and they don't throw anything over our wall. They've not done anything like that yet. I think they're a little afraid of me, but you never know. Wow. Okay, I'm done.